Glory to the Lord. Dear children, welcome back to the class. We are learning History Unit 2 from Trade to Territory. The previous class we have learned about Patla Plassey and Patla Buxar. Let us recall what we have learned in the previous class. Especially in the English East India Company, their rule became effective after the conquest of Bengal. How did they conquer Bengal? Yes, two wars were fought by them with the Bengal Nawab. What were the two wars? Patla Plassey in 1757. Siraj Uddaulah was defeated. The reason for that war was the Black Hole tragedy which happened in 1756. You may remember that. Have you learned that question? Right about Black Hole tragedy? Yes, just recall that there was a small dungeon room in Fort William in Calcutta where troops of the Nawab of Bengal Siraj Uddaulah held 100 British prisoners of the war for one night. What happened in the next morning? Yes, 123 of the prisoners were dead. What was the reason for that? Suffocation. That was the Black Hole tragedy in the Indian history. One of the black incident happened that led to the Patla Plassey. The Nawab was defeated, and one more war was the Patla Buxar that also happened during the time. What was the reason for the Patla Buxar? The British was misusing the destaks given to them. What was destaks? The free duty passes. At the time, who was the Nawab? The Nawab of Bengal was Mir Qasim at that time. Mir Qasim, he revolted against the British for misusing the destaks. Then Patla Buxar, it was happened on 22nd, 1764. In that also the British got victory over the Nawab. And after the end of these two wars, Patla Plassey and Patla Buxar, the British got victory over Bengal and started their real political power in Bengal. These two wars are considered, or these two battles are considered to be the initiation of the British rule in India. This lesson we are going to see Carnatic Wars. Children, this class we are going to learn about the important wars which made British the paramount power in India. Paramount means supreme power in India, and end of these wars, the French was completely got rid from India. The wars were known as Carnatic Wars. It was happened from 1746 to 1763. Three series wars were happened. There is continuous war happened between various Indian rulers. Note on that the wars were happened between Indian rulers, but the British and French, they stood on either side. If British is on one side means on the opposite side French was there, and they make this situation as the advantage for them, and they wanted to prove their political power in India. For what purpose did they come to India? They came to India for trading purpose, but now they try to show their political power. So in 18th century, three Carnatics were fought between various Indian rulers. British and French, they stood on either side. And their rivalry continued in India over trade and territories. This war was happened 1746 to 1763, and it resulted in the establishment of political supremacy of the British East India Company. So let us see about each of the wars. Three Carnatics wars were fought. Let us see about each of the war in detail. Let us see about first Carnatic War. The duration of this war was 1746 to 1748. What was the cause for the outbreak of this war? Austria is a small country in Europe. There was a war of succession in Austria. Succession means if a king died, who would be the next king? That was the war of succession. In that war, England and France, both of them participated there. Always there was a struggle between England and France, and both of them stand on either side, that is on the opposite sides. That war of Austrian succession which happened in England echoed in India also. That resulted in the first Carnatic War. Let us see what happened in that war. The war was happened at a place called Adayar. Adayar is a small place on the river banks of River Adayar, and there is a place called Santom. You may hear about it. Santom is one of the famous places in Madras. The Cathedral Santom is also very famous one. So Santom, it is located in Adayar River, Adayar bank. The first Carnatic War was happened there. That is the French forces, they tried to attack Carnatic. Carnatic is one of the important region in the south of India at that time, which was ruled by Nawab. At that time, the Nawab of Carnatic was Anvaruddin. Who was the Nawab of Carnatic? He was the first Nawab of Carnatic, Anvaruddin, Nawab Anvaruddin. When French tried to attack Anvaruddin, Anvaruddin appealed to the British for help. A small French army under Captain Paradise and defeated the strong Indian army under Mahfuz Khan at Santom. So this was the first occasion the superiority of the well-trained and the well-equipped European army over the Indian army was proved beyond doubt. That is, it seems to be the French got success in the Battle of Adayar at first because they defeated the Anvaruddin army. So finally Anvaruddin came to a treaty with the French people. Already I told what is treaty. Treaty means a peaceful agreement between the two opponent parties. So the treaty signed after the Battle of Adayar, which was the first Carnatic War in the year 1748, was Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Aix-la-Chapelle is a place in France. So the treaty was signed at the place Aix-la-Chapelle in 1748. The war was entered by the treaty, which brought the Austrian War of Succession to an end. When Austrian War broke out in Europe, the first Carnatic War broke out in India also. So when Austrian War came to end by Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, and here the first Carnatic War also came to an end by signing a treaty, and some terms are there. According to the terms, Madras was returned back to the English because English supported Anvaruddin. Who was Anvaruddin? The Nawab of Carnatic, first Nawab of Carnatic. And the French in turn, they got their territories in North America. At the time, the European people, especially France people and England people, they tried to make colonies in North America. They had a problem there also. So look at people, the problem is there in Europe, in North America and also in Asia. So Austrian War of Succession broke out in Europe, that echoed in India as the first Carnatic War. At the same time, the France and the England people, they fought for territories, their territories in North America also. So at the end of the Battle of Adayar and also the end of the Battle of Austrian War of Succession, what happened? The Madras was returned back to the English as they are supporting the Nawab of Anvaruddin, and the French in turn, what did they get? They got North America.
First Carnatic War. Carnatic was the name given by the Europeans to the Coromandel coast. This include coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. First Carnatic War was an extension of Anglo-French War in Europe, which was caused by Austrian War of Succession. The immediate cause of the war in India was when English Navy under Barnet seized some French ships. France retaliated by capturing Madras in 1746 with the help of fleet from Mauritius under Admiral La Bourdonnais. The First Carnatic War ended in 1748 with the signing of Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, which brought the Austrian War of Succession to a conclusion. Under this treaty, Madras was handed over to the British, and French got their territories in North America. The First Carnatic War is remembered for Battle of Saint Thom, fought between the French forces and the forces of Anvaruddin, Nawab of Carnatic. A small French army under Captain Paradise defeated the larger Indian army. This was an eye-opener for the Europeans in India. It revealed that even a small disciplined army could defeat a much larger army.
Let us see Second Carnatic War. The duration of the war was 1749 to 1754. The main cause of the war was issue of succession in two places in India. One is at Carnatic and another one is at Hyderabad. Carnatic was ruled by Nawab and Hyderabad Nizam. In Carnatic, the war of succession was between Anwaruddin and Sanda Sahib, and in Hyderabad, it was between Nazir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. The main cause of this war was the issue of succession in Carnatic and Hyderabad. On Carnatic, who were fighting for succession, Anwaruddin and Sanda Sahib, and in Hyderabad, Nazir Jung and Muzaffar Jung both were clients to the throne of Hyderabad. The French supported Sanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. The French supported Sanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. Then no other way for the other two people, Anwaruddin and Nazir Jung, they seek the help of English. In Carnatic, the war of succession was between Anwaruddin and Sanda Sahib. In Hyderabad, it was between Nazir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. So it resulted in Battle of Ampere in 1749. Let us see about that war. Dupleix was the French governor. He was French supporting Sanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. Dupleix, Sanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, they formed a grand alliance. Alliance means unity. And they defeated and killed Anwaruddin Khan. Anwaruddin Khan was the Nawab of Carnatic. He was killed by the great alliance of the Sanda Sahib, Muzaffar Jung and Dupleix, the French governor. On 3rd August 1749 at Battle of Ampere, then there was a son for Anwaruddin Khan. He was known as Muhammad Ali. He fled to Tiruchirappalli because on the fear of killed by Dupleix, Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin Khan, he fled to Tiruchirappalli. So the French got victory over the Carnatic at the beginning. It seems to be the victory for the French, but later on only English entered there. So in Deccan too, what happened in Deccan, that is in Hyderabad, the French defeated and killed Nazir Jung and made Muzaffar Jung as the Nizam. The French defeated and killed Nazir Jung. In Carnatic, Anwaruddin Khan was killed, and in Hyderabad, Nazir Jung was killed. So in both the places, who got the victory? French got the victory. The people who were supported by the French got the victory. The new Nizam gave ample reward to the French. He appointed Dupleix as the governor of all the territories in south of River Krishna, and Muzaffar Jung was Muzaffar Jung was the new Nizam there now, who was supported by the French and got victory over Nazir Jung. He awarded French by giving lot of territories to them. But what happened to the Muzaffar Jung means in 1751 he was assassinated. Assassinated means killed by his own people. So later on, Salabat Jung, who was the brother of Nazir Jung, was raised to the throne by Colonel Bercy. Colonel Bercy was a French colonel. He made Nazir Jung's brother Salabat Jung as the governor of or Nizam of Deccan, that is in Hyderabad. Salabat Jung granted northern Sarkars to French people as a reward. So Dupleix's power was at zenith by that time. So that's the peak, at the highest position. Dupleix, the French governor, power was there. So people, you think that in this scene, English was not done anything. So English seems to be at the back of French. But it was not like that. The scene was completely changed after the arrival of a great man. About that great man and how did the English got success over the Carnatic was, everything we will learn in the next class. Children, in this class we have learned about Carnatic Wars, which was happened in the year 1746 to 1763. The wars was happened between various Indian rulers. British and French, they stood on either side, that is opposite sides. The first Carnatic War duration was 1746 to 48. Important battle of that war was Battle of Padaya, which was fought in 1746. In that, French got victory. French forces were led by Captain Paradise at the place of Santhome in Madras. Now, it was fought between the Nawab forces and the French forces. Nawab was supported by English people, and that war, main cause was the War of Austrian Succession. The War of Austrian Succession in Europe came to an end by Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. So this war also came to an end, and Madras was given back to English people. And the French, what did they get? They got territories in North America. And we learned half of the Second Carnatic War Second Carnatic War in 1749 to 1754, the duration was. The main cause of the war was the issue of succession happened in Carnatic and Hyderabad. In Carnatic, war of succession was between Anwaruddin Khan and Chandra Sahib. And in Hyderabad, it was between Nazir Jang and Muzaffar Jang. And Chandra Sahib and Muzaffar Jang were supported by Dupleix, the French governor. And they defeated Anwaruddin Khan and killed him. Muhammad Ali fled, his son Muhammad Ali fled to Tiruchirappalli. And in Hyderabad also, Nazir Jang was killed by Muzaffar Jang. And Muzaffar Jang, he became the Nizam. So in both the places, in Battle of Amber and in Battle of Adayar, both the war, French got the success. English seems to be at the back of French. But later on, after the arrival of a great man, about the great man I will say in the next class I told, the war was turned in favor of the English. So let us see about that in the next class. Thank you, children.